Here in Britain, we have been producing oil from the UK continental shelf for 40 years and exploring for oil and gas for 50 years. Following the first production of gas from the West Sole field, the first commercial production of oil commenced in the Argyle field, led by US exploration company Hamilton Brothers, and came into BP's refinery in the Thames, where the taps were officially turned on by Tony Benn. By the end of 1975, both the Argyle and BP's Forties oil fields began production. With the North Sea still producing oil today, the offshore oil and gas sector is a great UK industrial success story. Since first oil production over 40 years ago, industry operations have continually grown and become safer. There is a network of 36,000 kilometres of pipelines, equal to the distance from Aberdeen to Adelaide and back again. These pipelines link almost 300 platforms. Over 45 billion barrels of oil and gas have been produced so far, enough to fill almost 3 million Olympic swimming pools. Since 1965, around 4,000 exploration and appraisal wells have been drilled at a cost of over £50 billion, a similar cost to building the Shard over 100 times. The UK oil and gas industry benefits our lives in many ways, supplying energy to power industry and to heat homes, fuel for transport to carry goods and people all over the world, and the raw materials used to produce many everyday items. Through its extensive supply chain, the industry employs hundreds of thousands of people, in addition to paying over £300 billion to the country in production taxes to date. And it makes a major contribution to the UK economy in terms of developing new technologies, and through exports worth £15 billion per year. The sector will remain hugely important for the country for many years to come. Through economic contribution, working safely and efficiently to provide a secure energy supply, and supporting jobs in Britain. There could be 23 billion barrels of oil and gas still to be recovered. That is a prize worth fighting for, and industry is now working together to attract investment. Becoming more efficient and addressing costs will help sustain the business into its sixth decade. The UK must be globally competitive today in order to attract investment for the future.